looks like we got ourselves a nice big fat fire at a strip mall. Don't look too good. I thought it was a tornado at first. Not good, and they are fighting it. Don't look too bad. They got the whole dang road closed. Let's see. Might be a strip mall here. It's early in the morning. It is a strip mall, is what it looks like. And they don't look very good. You see firefighter up there fighting it. You got another one off to the side there. You see it spray water. Got Pizza Hut. I wonder. It looks like it's I don't know. It looks like it's burning behind. We'll see what's back there. It looks like there's like a Lowe's other strip mall. That might be the bowling alley. They don't look good. You see the whole thing there. We got cops. Oh, I thought that was a big tornado. So we'll see what's on it in the morning. See what caused the fire. It looks really bad too. Well, he's throwing it on there, not good. We'll check out later what exactly burned. So it's about 3 in the morning. I'm trying to remember what's over there. There's a gas station back over there. I think that's a bowling alley back over there, if I remember. We'll check it out here. I'll let you know I'm not looking at my camera while I'm driving, so it's not good at all. Alright, we'll just see what happened in the morning.